discuss another problem related with the three moment equation. So in this problem we will consider a UDL and a point load. So please note down the question. Analyze the two span continuous beam as shown in the figure using three moment equation. Okay. So and also we have to draw the bending moment diagram also is an important part. Okay. So in the given question, a continuous beam with supports are A, B and C and the span lengths are 4 meter and BC span length is 6 meter and the UDL value is given as 20 kilonewton per meter and the point load value is given as 30 kilonewton and the moment of inertia value given for the span AB as I and the BC span it will be 2 times of I. Okay, so this is the given condition in this particular question and our first aim is to draw the free moment diagram. Okay, in this case a UDL for the first part and a point load for the second part. So for simply supported beam with a UDL is acting, then what about the diagram? It will be a parabolic and its magnitude will be WL square by 8. Okay, you have to calculate the value of this ordinate. Then what about the second BC portion? BC portion, it is a point load is acting and we know that the bending moment diagram will be in this way and the magnitude will be WAB by L. This represents A and this represents B. Means it will be A equal to 4 and B equal to 2 meter. So this is the case related with the first step. First of all, we have to draw the bending moment, free moment diagram. Okay. And you have to calculate the values. That is WL square by 8, the magnitude will be 40. And here again for BC portion, if you apply WAB by L, then you will get the value as again 40 kilonewton meter unit is also an important part. Then after that what? You have to calculate the area A1 and this is A2. For calculate the area of a parabola, yesterday already I mentioned that 2 by 3 multiplied by 4, 2 by 3 multiplied by 4, then the magnitude. Then you will get the value as 106.67. Then after that you have to calculate the center of gravity distance, that is A1, that is going to be the span by 2, that is 2 meter, that is also written here. Then after that you have to calculate the area, it is a right angle triangle half multiplied by 40 multiplied by 6. You will get the value easily, that is 120. Then the center of gravity distance, please check here. The center of gravity distance from the end C. You have to calculate the center of gravity distance from this support C. Then how to do that? If the value is going to be L plus the span length L plus which support you are going to take, that is from the support C. That's why we are giving that B value by 3. This is the general equation. Okay, so please note down this equation, L plus B by 3 equals, and finally if you substitute the value, that is 6 plus 2 by 3 and you will finally get 8 by 3. Okay, then you directly apply the three moment equation and in this case, okay, these equations we know that MA and MC is going to be 0. The moment for a simply supported beam, that is MA and MC is going to be 0. So this terms is going to be 0 and there is no settlement is given in this question. So again remaining this terms only MB and relating with this 6A1 by I1 L1 and this terms only remains. So if you substitute the values, 2MB multiplied by 4 means the L1 span by I plus 6 by 2I means the moment of inertia value is given for the BC span. Then you have to substitute the A1 value and the small A1 value and after that just substitute the value for the A2 and the small A2 and if you substitute the value you will finally get the MB value is going to be minus 34.286 kilonewton meter. So this is the case for the bending moment at the support B. Then our intention is to draw the bending moment diagram. How to draw the bending moment diagram? First of all, you have to draw the free moment diagram. That means, in this case, the free moment diagram for the AB portion, it is going to be a parabola. That is a 4 meter span only. And for a 6 meter, again you have to draw a triangle shaped diagram that is going to be this much. And the magnitude is going to be 40, and here it is going to be 40. Same magnitude. Okay. Then our next intention is to draw this value. And here it is going to be positive, and here it is also going to be positive. But here it is going to be negative. So you have to draw at the value, MA value is going to be 0. So you can start from here, and MC value is also going to be 0. And this 34 will be below this 40. So it will be here, somewhat here. And again drawing here. And after that you have to shade those regions. This is going to be negative since it is given negative. And here also you have to shade the region. So this is the bending moment diagram for this particular question. And you can easily score marks also for this type of questions. Okay. So I hope the section is clear. With this we'll wind up today's section. Thank you.